Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to hide the license plate on your brand new JL. If your state requires you to have a front license plate, or if you're looking to add a vanity plate on the front of your JL Wrangler, then today we're going to be installing this STO & SHO front license plate bracket fitting your Sport & Sahara JL Wrangler equipped with a plastic front bumper. This STO & SHO bracket allows you to easily remove your front license plate if you're out on the trail or you don't want it if you're at a show. It includes all the necessary hardware to get it bolted up and is constructed of a durable aluminum material. It simply pulls with a pull tab, and today we're going to get it installed on our 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler. The first step of this installation is to grab the quick release bracket here. Go ahead and get your 10mm self-tapping screws. We're going to center it up on the bumper using these two holes as a template, and then line it up with the back end back here. Get it started. Grab a 10mm nut driver and push up, and it'll start into the plastic. Then put the back one on. Get them nice and tight. Now you're ready to install the bracket. We went ahead and installed our CJ license plate onto the bracket with the provided hardware. Obviously, if you had a front license plate, you'd throw it on now. All that's left to do is slide it into place and you're good to go. Slide your license plate bracket into the lower mounting point, pull out on the quick release. Once you hear the click, it's properly installed and your installation is complete. We just finished up the install of this STO & SHO front license plate bracket on our brand new JL Wrangler. This bracket looks really great, it serves a great purpose, plus you can simply pull the pin and have it released when you're out on the trail or you don't want your plate on. It installs with a 10mm socket, a nut driver, and a Phillips head screwdriver, and can be found right here as well as many other great parts for your JL, cjponyparts.com.